2025, baby, and we are back with a bang. So much has happened over the winter, colder months, and today we're getting out on the WaveBlaster. I was going to say Jet Blaster because something's coming in the near future. The WaveBlaster for 2024 was not loved too much, so we're going to get out on it. There's been a couple of things I've had to do over the winter. The rectifier went on this WaveBlaster. It is nearly 30 years old, but other than that, it was absolutely on the button, spot on. So today, I want to get out with the Insta360, brand new camera that we picked up for Tata Show last year, and you guys are going to be the benefactors because the sun is shining today and I cannot wait to ride this. Gonna do lots of spins. It's getting a little bit warmer here in the UK, so summer is coming, the sunshine, and obviously you might have seen the little teaser there. The merch is coming. If you love the WaveBlaster, we have dedicated WaveBlaster t-shirts. If you love any model from the 90s, the artwork is there. It is coming. It's going to be epic. You're going to be able to support classic jet skis. Your support means the world. So there's only one thing left to do before we get in the water. Did you guess? Obviously, you go to the front bin, you get out your OEM original key, and you do a nice sexy startup. Guys, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Oh my god, so fun, so fun, really good. Help me take off my goggles. I just forgot how like nippy and nimble that ski is. It's running sweet as a nut now. The rectifier sorted, the fuel sender's actually working. It's actually working. We just bought another fuel sender, even though I think that one's okay. The only thing is my hands, we're not at that point of the year yet, annoyingly, where it's okay, but my hands are so cold, so I'm gonna put my gloves on because I can't feel them. But guys, I'm so happy to be out again. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get some more riding in.
Fucking
I'm too quick for you! I'm too quick!
what do you want to do when you was coming in? I was hoping you was coming lovely flat in. Just whack the bars round.
Oh, I like there we go.
Here it comes again, every year.
Get the toe thing out now as well.
What a ride, guys. What a way back. The only thing that let me down was the dexterity in my hands. But I like actually riding with no gloves, so it's kind of a catch-22. But every bit as good as I remember. We had a few little teething issues, like I said, with the rectifier, but that's now sorted. It's charging okay. And ironically, I bought a new fuel sender to go on this because I thought the other one was bust. And the fuel level's reading absolutely fine now. So guys, I hope you like this first video back. Please hit the subscribe button and check out the latest merch. We have a WaveBlaster II for this ski, but every model is on the website, so check it out. Your support means the world. And as always, guys, you know the saying by now, keep the classics alive.